Welcome back to the channel where we do maintenance for your household, your automobile, and your exterior. All right, today we're going to be doing a filter replacement. Some of the items we're going to need is a filter. We're using an easy flow. About every 30 days, we recommend you replace that, or at least 4 times a year. Pretty much a seasonal event. And then we're going to need a little brush, some type of flathead screwdriver, and a ladder. So the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to disconnect these little tabs. Your AC or HVAC system may be a little bit different. Make sure you go to the manufacturer's manual and follow their instructions. All right, once we got that filter out of the way, now we're gonna take our brush. A lot of people forget to do this and brush these louvers for any dust or debris that has been sucked up in here. We're also going to make sure we get the exterior of this vent. You might want to wear a mask when you're doing this. Keeps the dust out of your lungs and any allergies that you may have to help it. All right, that's all done. Now let's reverse it. Oh, there's one thing that I forgot to mention. Make sure your AC, HVAC is turned off. All right, now let's replace the Easy Flow filter. Try to do this with one hand. And a lot of people wonder why the Easy Flow is used. Well, they're saying it's a little less harsh on your blower motor. That way it doesn't have to work as hard. All right, let's just button this up. All right, everyone, that does our maintenance on our HVAC. Again, at least 4 times a year. Just call it seasonal maintenance. All right, until next time. Thanks for watching. Please give it a like, a share, and subscribe. Until next time.